Welcome back to my channel. Now we all know that wearing our hair down during summer is cute, but is it reasonable? Not really, I don't think so. It's way too hot for that, and after a while you just don't want to wear your hair down anymore. It's time to put it up, girl. So with this first style here, I'm sure everyone has done this bun before in their life, but I'm just going to show you guys a little bit on how I do my bun. So I don't like to grab my ponytail too tight, that way I'm not pulling out my edges. Well, just because it can be severely damaging to your edges, so we just want to make sure that our ponytail is a little bit loose. Then you know you gotta lay those edges down. Take as much as you like. I don't do my baby hairs too much. I just like to have just a little bit, you know, a little oomph to it. And that's pretty much it for this first hairstyle. Moving on. Now for this second hairstyle, you want to make sure that your roots are a little bit damped just so that you have an easier comb out. You never want to just dive in and roughly brush your hair when it's dry because it can be super damaging and we don't want that. Here I'm using my Denman brush. I love this brush. It doesn't pull on my hair or tug, it's just right. Now I'm just brushing my hair, making sure that it's nice and smooth. I get real serious about my hair being smooth when it's in a ponytail. It's not even a joke. I can't have any lumps or anything like that. If I do, I'll probably end up doing the whole ponytail over. Taking my scrunchie, I'm just gonna secure that very tightly. Y'all, this rubber band did not want to go over one more time, but you know, you gotta force it sometimes. Comment down below who else uses their scrunchie until the last end. Girl, I'm not giving it up. We made it work though. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and go back in with my toothbrush and go over my edges because you guys already know edges are so important to me. I think these hairstyles are pretty good for school as well. They're easy, they're super quick and easy, so they're not time consuming at all. So if you wake up late, slap your hair in a bun, ponytail, you're good to go. I'm just braiding my ponytail all the way down. During the braiding process, I like to add a little bit of moisturizer just so that my ends aren't so dry when I'm doing this. And also that just ensures that your braid comes out nice and smooth. Secure it with a little rubber band at the end and you are good to go. Now for this look, you literally don't even have to take out your ponytail. We're just gonna go ahead and wrap the ponytail that you already have around into a bun. So this is going to be a low bun look. It's really quick, easy, great for summer. Definitely gets your hair off of your shoulders. Are we doing a little bit of ASMR here? I think so. This is probably one of my go-to hairstyles. Now for this look here, you really want to make sure that your hair is fully combed out and well moisturized. That's just for easy styling. I like to work with wet hair just because I feel like it's less damaging than having to comb. Hair. Basically what I did was parted my hair down the center, and now I'm just going to braid both sides all the way down to the end. Maybe I kind of didn't really know what I was doing with this look, and I guess we just stopped right there. We were just winging it, so it looked cute. I'm just like, okay, that works. Moving on to the other side, we're going to do the exact same thing. I like to use a little bit of gel towards my edges and just like basically over my head. That way my hair isn't frizzy when it dries. I think that is very beneficial, works pretty good. Smooth it down, girl. And we're gonna start braiding again. Brushing your hair while braiding it is gonna save your life because you just get a smoother braid. You don't want anything poking out of your braid. You just want it to look nice, neat, and clean. Bring out those baby hairs. You know you gotta bring out those baby hairs. And that's it. I actually really like this hairstyle. Last but not least, we're going to use that exact same hairstyle to create a new one. You can revert it into baby buns. Low baby buns, I suppose. So what I did was I literally just wrapped that entire braid around into a little knot, and then I secured it with a rubber band. Come on. And then we're just gonna do the same to the other side. And we're good to go. 2 hairstyles in one. Boom. Come on, how cute is this? That's it for today's video. Comment down below and let me know which hairstyle you liked the best. And until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!